Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Microsoft Teams for LinkedIn networking events step by step clearly. To authenticate Microsoft Teams for LinkedIn networking events, begin by ensuring you have both. Open your web browser and go to the LinkedIn website. Sign in to your LinkedIn account with your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the event you want to attend or host. Locate the register or join button for the event. Click on the button to proceed. You may be prompted to connect a Microsoft Teams account if you haven't done so already. Select Connect or Link to pair your Microsoft Teams account. A new window will open, redirecting you to the Microsoft sign-in page. Enter your Microsoft account email address and click Next. Input your password and click Sign In. After you successfully sign in, you will see a confirmation message. Return to the LinkedIn event page. Your Microsoft Teams account should now be linked successfully. Look for any additional prompts asking you to confirm your participation in Microsoft Teams. Follow those prompts to finalize your authentication. You should receive a confirmation email from LinkedIn regarding your successful authentication. You can now access the event from LinkedIn, and it will launch in Microsoft Teams at the specified time. Enjoy networking with fellow attendees during the event. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.